Thanks for tuning in today. I've got a fun project planned, something that's very simple and easy for children, grandchildren. It's made out of clay and it's a very quick activity, but lots of fun. So let's get started and I will tell you the supplies that you're going to need. So these are the things you're going to need. You're going to need Sculpey clay that can be baked in the oven. I found this at Hobby Lobby for $2.49 a package. You're going to need a rolling pin, 12mm jump rings, some type of charm, clay cutters, any size or shape that you prefer, 30 inches of ribbon or a chain so that you'll be able to make your necklace, something to poke a hole in the top so that you can add your jump ring. You'll also need a cookie sheet to bake it on, and I protect it with a piece of foil. And when you're starting your project, if you will preheat your oven to 275, once you've completed your little necklaces, you're ready to pop them right into the oven. So let's get started, and then once we bake them, then I'll tell you how to assemble. So once you've decided what colors you're going to use, I would break off a portion of the colors that you want. And I do like to mix colors. I think it looks really fun to have lots of color in it, but if you prefer one color, that works too. So once I break it off, then I start kneading it to make it more pliable. Once it's pliable, then I'm going to take and mix it together and just twist it around to create an interesting pattern on it. Okay, let's try that. Let's move that clay out of the way. Get your rolling pin. You are going to want to roll it out until it's about 1/8 of an inch. See, that's still a little bit thick. So you need to roll it out so that it's even. Oh, look at all those fun colors in there. I like the swirls. Okay, I think we're ready to go. So then you can place your clay cutter wherever you would like to, whatever looks like a fun pattern that you want to use. Pull it off. We've got a little butterfly and a little heart. Then you're going to take whatever you want to poke a hole. You need to make sure that you poke your hole all the way through. And then I take and kind of work it so that it will remain open as it bakes. So there's our little butterfly. Oh, cute. Okay, I'm going to put it on the cookie sheet. And we're going to do the little heart. Get that clay off of there. Okay, all the way through. Twist it, kind of pat it back so that you've still got that really nice shaped hole to put your jump ring in. Cute heart. Okay, we are ready to put those in the oven. Remember, your oven is at 275 and you're going to bake them for 12 to 15 minutes. So let's get them baked and then I'll be right back. Okay. Pull these out of the oven. They baked for 13 minutes and we let them cool for about 5 minutes and we're ready to assemble them. So this is your 12mm jump ring. On a jump ring, when it's this large, you don't even need to use pliers. You want to pull one piece towards you and push one piece away. Add your cute little charm. This says made with love. I found those at Joann's. Then you're going to add your clay shape and pull it together. Sometimes you have to work it just a little bit so it lines up. Okay, and if you're using ribbon, make sure that you twist that around to the back so your ribbon won't pull through. Take your ribbon, thread it through your jump ring. line up your pieces of ribbon and tie a knot. And you are done. I also found a really cute chain, so let's add the chain to the butterfly. Same thing, jump ring, one piece forward, one piece away from you. Add your charm, add your little clay shape, and connect your jump ring. I'm still going to roll that around to the back a little bit. Put your chain through. Whoops. Let's drop it down through. That'll probably be the best way to do it. And there you are. You have it stamped up. Oh, look, with a butterfly on that chain or just the little ribbon on the heart. Either way, it looks adorable. So I hope you enjoyed it today. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit the notification bell so that you know when we are making more fun projects and crafts. Like and subscribe. And thanks again for joining us.